Hello everyone, today I'm going to be showing you my r10s and my Hoover Wind Tunnel Platinum Edition lightweight upright. They both are very lightweight, about under 10 pounds, I think 8 or 9, somewhere in that range. This one actually has a carrying handle. This one doesn't, but you could get a carrying handle on the higher end models of this. They both have a release pedal. This one is kind of weirdly placed. It's kind of on the wrong side. This one is right here in the middle. They both have a quick release cord clip. This one is on the top, so when you release it, the whole cord comes off. This one is on the bottom, so you could pick how much you want off, say. You only want that much off. Just like that. They both have a high and a low. The low speed is for bare floors, but the Riccar performs a lot better on bare floors because it has a squeegee. The Hoover does not, so it tends to scatter a bit more. The Riccar has a squeegee that is right there. This one does not have a squeegee. It has a wood roller. The bristles are pretty stiff. On the Riccar's bristles, they're a lot more stiffer and they're longer and they stick out a lot more. And the brush hole is metal, and these brush strips are replaceable. They both have HEPA bags.